So let's talk about digital transformation. So, what is digital transformation and why is it important? In recent years, there has been a rise in digital technologies such as AI, big data, cloud computing, mobile apps, blockchain, and so on and so forth. These digital technologies have brought about what we call the fourth industrial revolution. Before we discuss digital transformation, let's turn back the clock a little bit. In prior years, before the rise in these digital technologies, IT in organizations has always been viewed as a support function rather than a strategic function of a business. Now, with the advancements and the capabilities that IT now bring to the table, that view had to change. To give a simple example, in the past, if you have a business, to get information about your business to the wider market, you will build a website. Mainly that website will be static and non-interactive. In the current era, the websites are now highly interactive, they are integrated to the back end, and they go beyond just sharing information about the business. Now, through this simple example, already you can see how far we've come. In the current digital era, technology is now at the core of how businesses run their operations. And the strategies are now technology enabled. They are built to leverage or take advantage of these capabilities that the current digital technologies provide. Technology is now at the center of how businesses run, and this is how the term digital transformation came about. It is essentially how do organizations change from their old methods and approaches to new strategies and approaches that leverage the power and the strength of technology. At its core, it is a process of change. David Rogers, who is a researcher in the field of digital transformation, states that digital transformations applies to organizations that had systems and processes that worked well for them in the past, and now with the advancements that have been made with technology, those organizations needed to transform to leverage the power that the technology gives to them. It is often argued, and to an extent overstated, that digital transformation has nothing to do with technology, but technology is more of an enabler of digital transformation. It's essentially about introducing new and better ways of doing things that are more efficient. To fully take advantage of any piece of technology, you need to ensure that the organizational structure and the processes are streamlined to execute towards the objectives of the organization. This is the reason why it is always emphasized that digital transformation is not about technology. A number of areas must converge to achieve a digital transformation, and each are equally as important. These include, but not limited to, strategic alignment, the people, the processes, and the culture. All areas must align, and at the center of it, you infuse technology as the main catalyst to execute on the strategy and the business goals.